I have a special egg in my hand. This is a special egg because it can predict what type of person you are, whether you are an overthinker or you are an easygoing person. Okay, it can predict whether you are somebody who is struggling with overthinking, overanalyzing, and drawing conclusion out of everything, even if it's not needed, or you are someone who is an easygoing person, somebody who is just listening and repeating without too much overanalyzing and thinking too much logically. What type of person are you? What do you think? Are you an overthinker or are you an easygoing person? Let's do a simple test to find it out. Just by pronouncing this simple word, the name of this thing. So if you pronounce this as egg, as it's normally pronounced by native English speakers, then it means as a non-native English speaker, you are someone who is easygoing. You are just listening and repeating without too much overthinking, without too much overanalyzing. You are just listening and repeating. But if you pronounce this word as egg, egg, instead of egg, like very short, sharp, and with a lot of force and emphasis on the last letter or last sound, ge, like egg, egg, it means that you are an overthinker. You are actually thinking too logically, you are overanalyzing, and you are actually overthinking and pulling or drawing conclusion out of something. Out of what? Out of spelling. You are actually overanalyzing the spelling, and that misleads you to mispronunciation. The mispronunciation comes down actually as an overthinker, comes down to two traps. The trap of short words and the trap of double letter. Short words and double letter. Two traps. Okay, the trap of short words means because this word is spelled very short. This is a very short word consisting of 3 letters. Your logical mind tricks you into overthinking that this word should be pronounced short and quick, as short as possible, like egg instead of egg. That was the trap number 1, or actually the result of trap number 1, which leads you to mispronunciation of like egg, very short and sharp. And the extra emphasis or extra force on the last letter comes from the trap number 2, the trap of double letter. Because of the double letter, I have to do something extra. I have to pronounce it short, quick, and also with a lot of force on the double letter, which is quite common among Arabic speaking people because they have something like this in their own language, which is called tashdid. Tashdid means a lot of or extra force because of the double letter. And that is why it's so logical they are pronouncing this word as egg with a lot of pressure on the double letter, tashdid. Yeah? So if you are coming from an Arabic speaking country or from a Persian speaking country and you are an overthinker as well, the chance is quite big that you are pronouncing the word egg as egg. So be careful that you are not getting caught by these two traps. Trap of short words and trap of double letter. Okay? Okay, now you know how to pronounce this word as egg and not as egg. You can practice this way of pronunciation on all the other words presenting in this table. Okay? You see in this table 3 columns. The first column contains the words in the second column, you see the correct way of pronunciations, and in the last or the third column, you see the wrong way of pronunciation, which is quite common among overthinkers. Yeah? Okay, starting with the first word. The first word is pronounced like cell instead of cell. The second, less instead of less. And the third word is pronounced like add and not as add. And the next one is pronounced like gas, not as guess. The next one, apple, and not apple. So, and the last one, the last word contains 2 times double letters, which are pronounced the same way as all the other words. Okay, so you can try this word by yourself and write me down in the comment how you pronounce this word. Or you can, if you like, you can send your pronunciation. I mean, you can record your voice and send it to me. I will give my feedback as soon as possible. Okay? And if you like this video, if you like this way of practicing, please do not forget to like it. And of course, subscribe if you want to follow the next video and the next instructions. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and God bless you.